Daisy on the beach, Nauset Beach. People are checking out the waves. Check out the waves. Come on. What do you think, Daisy? There's already got erosion coming in here. Yeah. They got some good waves. Just where we were standing, the wave came right up. Look at the waves. Take some good videos. Okay. Well, this is Thursday, the 14th. At the end of our vacation, we're heading back. Here comes a good wave. There we go. Whoop, almost got us, Daisy. Here comes another one. Maybe this one will get us. Woo! Let's see where this one comes. Oh, that one went way over. Here comes another one. Whoop. Poor Daisy. Hey, Daisy. No, I think I'm metal detecting today. It's going to be a beach. Look at the wave day. So, end of our vacation. Daisy still doesn't know what to make out of this. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Other people coming to see the big waves. Well, thanks for watching. Ooh-wee, we got some big ones coming in. Ooh, Daisy. Go play there. How's the water?
The water's warm. Really? That's warm.
We got a big one coming in. Come here, Daisy.
Daisy, come.
Daisy, come. How fast can you run, Daisy? Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's gonna get mommy. Daisy. Oh, almost got Daisy. One more, Daisy. You ready for this one? Yeah. Come. Alright. Oh, we got a big one coming. I can see it brewing out there. Surf's up.
Woo. Look at that.
We got a good one coming. How's that? Wow, look how high it went. I don't want anything to do with this.
Another one.
Okay, this is my last big wave. Here it comes. Oh. Here it comes. We gonna get it. Yep. Here we go. Look at these. What's the matter? What's the matter, baby? Okay. I'll take some with this camera. He doesn't know what to make. Oh, here's a big one coming in. What do you think, honey? Welcome to Cape Cod. Okay. Well, this is our last day here. Oh, my baby cakes are sad. Daisy's on the beach. Again, it's low tide. We're on the bay side. The tide is out. Okay. And I think we're going to get a sunset tonight. Woo-wee. Of course it's the last day. Our last day on the Cape. Straight across is the tower at P-Town. I don't know if you can make it out. Daisy wandering around. That's beautiful. Okay. We'll keep you updated on the progress of the sunset. Here's baby cakes waiting for the sunset. We're at low tide. She's taking videos too, and there's Daisy. Yeah, she is. Low tide on the flats. And straight across from us. I don't know if we'll be able to pick it out. There it is, P-Town. There's the, right dead center is P-Town, the tower. Alrighty.
You'll go blind.
Alright. I'll leave that one alone. Oh boy. But yeah, it's getting there.
Well, at least
beautiful.
you picked up on my humor.
Yeah.
You're the only one who did.
Hey Daisy, you like the sun?
Well, we just missed going over the bridge for the last time. But, anyway, we're on our way home. Today's
The 15th.
15th. Almost leaving this beautiful Buzzards Bay area and heading home.
Exit right to US 6 West.
There we go.
Okay. The Cape Cod Canal, and in the background you see the Bourne Bridge.
Now,
Bye, Cape Cod. See you in a year.
yeah, there's the Heron Run right there.
It's 7 o'clock.
Rush hour. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so we are
Mountains.
back to the mountains.
Oh, look at that. How beautiful.
Yeah, way over there. Can't wait to get home.
We got 344 miles to go.
It's
4 hours and 55 minutes.
See you soon. Here's the Hudson River, everybody. Turned it on just in time. I don't know what bridge that is, but
And it goes over to Hudson.
oh yeah, that's right. It's cool though. Pretty big. Sorry, I'm not much into like turning this camera on today. I don't know why, but making Daddy happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna go under a bridge. Gotta get the excitement.
The Hamilton Fish.
Hamilton Fish Bridge. Newburgh.
Good boy.
Alright. Catch you on the next clip.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome, babe.
Some beautiful mountains. There we go. Well, I think we're pretty close to Pennsylvania. I don't know. We'll find out shortly. We're at exit 1, so.
200 times.
But we do have some good. The mountains are back. The mountains are back.
Absolutely.
No more sand. They traded in the sandy shoes and sandy feet.
Some hiking boots.
Here we go. This is the water gap.
Yep. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Pennsylvania.
Woo! We're back in our home state. Yeah. Okay, we're in the 4 hours to go. 290 miles. Well, it says 4 hours and 7 minutes. But it's 4 hours from the New York, Pennsylvania line to our house. So, we're back. Welcome to the Pocono Mountains.